In the city of Tacloban in Leyte, Estela Lagunzad's passion for business came from the need to find additional income for her growing family. While her husband worked as a security guard in a nearby hospital, Estela took on a small networking business by selling Tupperware, Avon, and Natasha products.
Mahilig na ako sa panininda, ganyan. Kahit may maliit akong anak, mayroon din akong maliit na tindahan dito na sari-sari, kahit ano-ano lang, mga asin, ganyan, mga ano lang pangailangan. Kasi noon doon sa labasan ng ospital, may nanininda doon. Kaunti lang sila. Napag-isipan ko, sabi ko, ano kaya maninda ako sa labas. Mahirap din kasi wala namang may pupuhunan. One time may nagpunta dito sa akin ng kaibigan ko, yung asawa niya, tricycle driver. Yun nakapagkwento, sabi niya, huy, may Rural Bank of Dulag dito, nagpapahiram. Pwede ka makapagpuhunan kasi naikwento ko doon sa kaibigan ko. Ay talaga, sabi ko, sige, punta tayo doon. Ayun ang umpisa. Tapos, yung nandoon na nga kami nanininda, medyo nakakatulong din, malaki ang tulong. Ayun na, dumating ang panahon na dinimulis kami doon. Nakiusap kami doon sa mayor, doon sa opisina sa City Hall. Kung pwede, makapaninda man lang kami, mahirap talaga. Sabi nila, o sige, pwede 6 to 6, makakaano kayo, makakapaninda kayo. Dumating na naman yung panahon na imbis na sumusunod na nga kami 6 to 6, yung biglang darating yung mga pulis, kinukuha yung mga paninda namin, ganun.
The Lagunzad's fortune changed in 2004 when Estela was granted an initial loan of 15,000 pesos by the Rural Bank of Dulag. She used this money to start her own eatery near the Eastern Visayas Regional Medical Center. The people from the hospital immediately became her regular clientele. Through the years, this small endeavor grew to become their main source of livelihood, enough to keep her dreams of expanding onto other businesses alive. Now on her 17th loan cycle of 25,000 pesos, Estela has come a long way from her humble beginnings. In 2007, she became the sole manufacturer of nursing caps and homemade lamps in the area, a feat that has yet to be rivaled by her peers.
Sabi namin, parang hindi gaano siyang klaro. Ang ginawa namin itong huli, may na kami doon sa likod. Parang yung white, parang klarong-klaro talaga yung logo nila. Pinag-iisipan lagi, pag halimbawa, sunod na cupping, gawin natin ganito para medyo mas maganda ganito.
In addition to her nursing cap business and eatery, Aling Estela also runs a small sari-sari store, has invested in hog racing, and had bought a 3-hectare land filled with coconuts. Her biggest pride, however, is her children's own knack for earning for the family. They have become an up-and-coming rock band in the area.
Salamat, parang nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa Diyos. Salamat sa mga anak ko talaga nakakapagpaligayan ng mga talaga kapag pinapalakpakan na parang sabi ko parang hindi ko maintindihan yung sarili ko. Umiiyak ako kahit yung asawa ko umiiyak dun sa likod ng mga kahit kung saan-saan. Parang yung saya, yung ligaya ba, yung parang hindi mo maintindihan, parang yung pride mo, yung joy, nandiyan naghahalo, yung parang kung gusto mo lang isigaw na anak ko yun, naobliga na talaga sila, nakakatulong na sila sa amin. Tapos yung mga pangangailangan nila, halos lahat sa kanila na kinukuha mismo sa sarili nila.
With all these businesses, Aling Estela generates a substantial amount of income from burgeoning sales. Her annual profits average more than 500,000 pesos. Aling Estela strives to keep her family together and all her businesses intact. Thankful for the opportunity given to her by the Rural Bank of Dulag, she continues to serve her community by providing a stable source of livelihood for her neighbors and serving as their barangay secretary.
Marami talagang naitutulong. Katulad ng kami nakapagpundar kami ng mga kagamitan. Noon sabi, Mama, mag-Jollibee naman tayo. Huwag mo na, wala tayong pera ngayon. Pero nung simula meron na kami ng sa bangko, parang ginulong-gulong na namin yung puhunan. Parang hindi na ako gano'ng nahirapan sa kanilang, sige, punta tayo doon pagkaano na. Ang may papayo ko doon sa mga gusto mang negosyo, una, yung paniniwala sa Diyos, paniniwala sa sarili na kaya ko to. Hard work, sakripisyo talaga. Dasal lang ako, yun ang ginawa ko. Kaya sabi ko, ito na siguro ang panahon.
From barely making ends meet to full achieving their goals, Aling Estela never takes anything for granted, carrying with her the knowledge she earned from years of hard work, passion, and perseverance.